Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Place 1 slice of bread, 1 egg, and 1/2 avocado on the Toca Boca counter and prepare your tools. Tap the avocado with the knife tool to split it, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. You can mash it smooth or leave chunks. Open the toaster slot, move the bread into position, and ready a plate. Having the egg pan, spatula, and plate nearby speeds assembly and keeps your play flow organized for fast, tidy cooking. Crack the egg into the Toca Boca pan and set the heat to medium, watching the white turn opaque and firm while the yolk stays soft. If you prefer a runny yolk, cook approximately 2 to 3 minutes. For firm yolk, increase to about 4 to 5 minutes. Timing in the game mimics real cooking. Flip gently with the spatula for over-easy eggs, or leave it sunny side up for a bright presentation. Slide the cooked egg onto the waiting plate to keep it warm. Toast the bread until golden brown and remove it to the plate. Then spread 1/2 mashed avocado evenly across the slice for balanced flavor and texture. Place the cooked egg on top, pressing lightly so the yolk nests into the avocado. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to taste. For extra flair, add a squeeze of lemon juice, a sprinkle of chili flakes, or chopped herbs. Serve immediately in Toca Boca. To complete the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.